21st century has witnessed India steadily carving its path with a resilient rise to becoming a major global superpower. With an exponential rise in its self-reliant operational capabilities and modernization through the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, the Indian Air Force reassures its unwavering commitment to every citizen of the country for their safety and security. This promise is hallmarked in our vision statement, People First, Mission Always. The armed forces of the nation play the most vital role in securing national interests and maintaining peace through effective deterrence. The Indian Air Force has consistently demonstrated its capability and effectiveness in various conflicts, including the 1971 war, where it played a crucial role in securing a decisive victory for India, and the Kargil conflict, where it successfully thwarted the Pakistani army's infiltration attempts. More recently, in response to the Pulwama terrorist attack, it showcased its ability to respond to non-state actors to fortify our national security.
पानी और खून एक साथ नहीं बह सकता.
Today, the Indian Air Force, as the first responder, stands prepared and equipped to respond decisively to any adversary, for any subconventional to full-spectrum war. With advanced capabilities of long-range targeting, precision-guided munitions and airspace management expertise, it is poised to undertake the critical role of enabler to shape the battlefield by controlling the continuum from air to space for all elements of the defense forces. Deterrence is achieved by strategically showcasing the country's military might to the world. Towards this, Indian Air Force conducts exercise Vayu Shakti once every 2 years. It is designed to instill a profound sense of pride and security among our countrymen, while simultaneously portraying a symbol of strength and resolve in keeping with India's growing global stature. In line with the theme Achut, Abhedya, Evam Sateek, meaning infallible, impervious and precise, Vayu Shakti 2026 is intended to demonstrate the ferocity, lethality and agility of the Indian Air Force. The firepower display at Pokhran serves as a testament to the glorious history, journey and evolution of the Indian Air Force over the years. It is an omnipotent display of how man, machine, weapon and cutting-edge technology work in unison to accomplish a mission. Vayu Shakti 2026 shall bring together all facets of air power, demonstrating our infallible ability to operate swiftly and decisively in a near-realistic wartime scenario through the seamless integration of airborne and ground assets. This spectacular display of combat power will showcase the IAF's impervious readiness to seek and destroy targets within a limited time frame with precise execution. This event offers a unique opportunity to witness a first-hand prowess of our indigenous platforms and weapon systems, symbolizing our commitment towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Exercise Vayu Shakti will also commemorate and showcase the resounding success of Operation Sindoor, wherein Indian Air Force demonstrated its air superiority by completely dominating enemy airspace. It proved instrumental in creating maneuvering space for Army and Navy and shaping the battle to achieve the political objective. Operating with utmost professionalism and with no room for error, the air warriors will engage multiple targets in a synchronized manner. You will witness aircraft engaging real-time targets, surface-to-air engagements, and combat-enabling operations by both day and night. To witness this breathtaking, adrenaline-fueled firepower demonstration, we invite you all to Pokhran on the 27th of February 2026. दुश्मन के अंतर्हित संकल्प बुद्धि जड़ से कर दे नाकाम, फिर चाहे जो हो परिणाम। हर काम देश के नाम, हर उड़ान देश के नाम, हर प्रहार देश के नाम। The Indian Air Force, a strategic aerospace power, the iron-willed deterrent securing national peace since its inception.